What's up, guys? So today I'm gonna do something to the little daily driver. Got something for the Civic that I think it should have came with from the factory, but being a CX or a DX, didn't come with this. So head to the shed real quick, grab a screwdriver, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. So here's what I was talking about. CX and DXs don't have a tachometer here. So to fix that, you get an EX cage cluster or an SI or whatever, but this was cheap, found on eBay, so that's what I'm gonna run. Now to get this out, there are 2 screws under this bezel, and then after that I believe there's 4 screws that hold the actual cluster in. So we'll take these out and then we'll look what's behind it. Come on. There we go. That out of the way. Let's see, we got 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yeah. So I got the screws out, pretty loose. Should come out fairly easy. And you will unplug everything on the back, and it should just plug up to the other one. I'm gonna do that now and show you after. So here's the old one and the new one. And there's only 3 plugs, airbag, and these 2 blue ones that go here, and the yellow one. I'm guessing green is for probably cruise control, which this car doesn't have, but yeah, basically the same on the rear. This one had a bunch of bulbs burnt out, so when I got this one, I went ahead and got some parts from Amazon with some little LEDs. So before I reattach this, I'm gonna plug it up, turn it on, make sure the LEDs are the right polarity. Should be a pretty good improvement because this is pretty dim. Boom! New gauge cluster in. It's time to see if it all works right. Start it up. Got revs. Nice, nice. See if the LEDs made a difference. Oh, that's not bad. A lot better than burnt out bulbs, so. Yeah, cool. I guess I will put the bezel back on and that should be it. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. Let me know if you want to see more Honda stuff. I did not forget about the Z. The Z is still here. I'm actually currently waiting on something for that, but something that is yet to go into production yet, but there should be something good for y'all to see whenever it gets here. Function, you know, with a little bit of form to go with it. But yeah, other than that, like, subscribe. See you next time.